I'm a woman, so let me attack the other gender. Some men don't know how to kiss, and it's paining me in my soul. It pains me in my heart that when you grab people's mouth and you don't know how to handle it, you don't know what to do with it. I'm like, oh God, you are going for one very serious French kiss. Let me tell you, don't start with French kiss. You guys underrate this, the importance of kissing. If you're going to get down with me, you have to really know how to respect my lips. In case you don't know, we die. This particular kiss is with an intention. You know your plan. You know, this girl, I have catch you today. And if you can't turn another thing, so I beg, please, soft bite. You're not Rottweiler. Don't go and tear somebody's lips out of their face. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sex Talk with Eno. And before I tell you guys today's topic, what is for real, guys? Honestly, you guys really underrate this kissing of a thing. Yes, I finally said our today's topic is kissing. We are talking about kissing today. Because honestly, I literally just feel like some people, I'm a woman, so let me attack the other gender. Some men don't know how to kiss. Sometimes you're grabbing a man's mouth or you want to kiss a man, and next thing you're saying it. What is it? You guys. I'm supposed to look like the queen that I am, you know, to talk about this topic, but the experiences I've literally had about this particular thing. Nah, I don't think it's something I have to be really, I have to give my posh, you know, my utter ego. But honestly, guys, you guys underrate this, the importance of kissing. The truth is, this is one act that a lot of people take for granted. And it's paining me in my soul. It pains me in my heart that when you grab people's mouth and you don't know how to handle it, you don't know what to do with it. How now? Please, we should start doing things right. I think there was one video I saw where they were playing Truth or Dare. The housemates were literally playing Truth or Dare. And I think one person was there. I will not call the person's name, please. I don't like calling people's name in my video. I would not. So they now dared this particular girl you get to kiss a guy in the house. See me now, like I've sat down very well, I've cackled. I now saw this girl. She stood up. She went straight to the guy, carried the guy and stand up. And next thing is she grabbed the guy's head like this. And I wanted to understand what was about to happen, you know. I was just watching. I'm like, okay, maybe she's about to romance the head first. She literally grabbed the guy's head, and the next thing was she puts her mouth, and all I saw was, I'm like, oh God should just help this guy. This girl should not swallow the guy, because I was really trying to understand what was happening. What was happening there? Like, you just kissing alone. That he could have just maybe grabbed his beard, you know, just go very soft on his lips. Either you start with the upper lips or the lower lips, you know, go really slow. It doesn't really have to be erotic from the beginning. You don't have to go all French kiss. Let me tell you, don't start with French kiss. Never in your life start with tongue to tongue, lip to lip, almost immediately. Start very soft, you know. Appreciate the lips. Make it look like you appreciate the lips first. Take it slowly, gradually. You know, you take the upper lips first, take the lower lips, you know, tickle the tongue, the tip of the tongue a little bit, then come back to the lips. Then you guys just slowly like that until you gravitate into the serious tongue to tongue, lip to lip, you know, some saliva a little bit here and there. Do you get? Okay, so this now brings me to types of kissing, because a lot of you don't really understand. A lot of us, let me put myself in that position, because I know I used to be there. I should not come and start looking like I'm attacking you people. See, a lot of us, we be no sabi. People like us that we now sabi. We be no sabi do am. And now that we now sabi, I now say, okay, I think it's high time we talk about understanding types of kissing, because I think a lot of us really don't know there are types of kissing and what you should do, you know, at every point in time, what type of kiss, you know, you should utilize at every point in time. So let's go to number 1, which is peck kiss. The truth is, there are people that possibly don't know what peck means. So I'll just explain a little bit. So peck is when you peck somebody. You can choose to be on the lips, you can choose to be anywhere, okay? So you just peck somebody, you know, it's almost like an appreciation. You can literally call it an appreciation kiss, okay? You can call it an appreciation kiss, you know, when you want to appreciate somebody, okay? So there are moments where you would want to like mistake peck for forehead kisses. Yeah, they are almost the same thing, but the truth is they have different meanings, you know. They have different meanings, and yeah, as I have different meanings to it, so some people might have their own different definition to it, but I mean the general understanding about peck kisses are they generally means appreciation kiss, okay? Then for the forehead kiss literally mean, okay, you care about the person, you adore the person, just like I said earlier. Another type of kiss we also have is the lip kiss. This is, please don't mistake it for a French kiss. French kiss and lip kiss is actually different. Lip kiss is when you both don't want to go all tongue, you know, you want to lick my tongue, I want to lick your tongue. No, in fact, tongue is literally not involved in this type of kissing. Everybody's just focused on the lips. So you go with the down part of the lip, he goes with the upper part of the lips, or you go with the upper part of the lips, he goes with the lower part of the lips, you know. Just the lips. You guys keep exchanging the lips, but please don't rush it. You get, just take it slowly. You get take it a little bit slowly. You get I've literally come to crack comedy on this video. Okay, so that's lip kisses, and while French kiss is you're literally exchanging a lot of things around that area. You get your lips, the upper lips, the down lips, the tongue. You guys, there's a little bit of saliva. You guys are exchanging saliva. You're putting in, it's bringing it out. You know how you do it now. You guys know how you do it. Okay, yeah, another type of kiss. This is one of my favorite type of kiss, and it's called the neck kiss. You know, where you get to play with your partner's neck. Okay, you just kiss them, and this particular kiss is majorly for arousal. It's erotic. It's not like the lip kiss or the forehead kiss, or this particular kiss is with an intention. You know your plan. You know, this girl, I have catch you today, or this man, I have hold you today, and know that, okay, we die. Going to die very soon. No, not die, not like die. It's a good die, like die in a good die in a good way. Okay, so whenever someone starts a neck kiss, okay, no, it's an erotic kiss. You know, it's something to get you, something that they are planning, you know, to get you aroused. Another type of kiss we should know is the bite kiss. You guys have kind of experienced situations where you're actually kissing. This can actually come to play when you're having the lip kiss or the French kiss. Yeah, this comes to play mostly when lips and the mouth is involved. You get, so when you're kissing, it's almost like you just take it a little bit slow, you know, and then at that moment when it's slow, that's the point where the bite kiss is actually really cool. It's not when it's now intense, you know. Before you go and use that intensity and bite somebody's lips away, please, I use God's name to beg you. The bite kiss comes in during the lip kiss or during the French kiss when it started, you know. So at that moment, you guys are literally playing with your lips, you're playing with your mouth, you're playing with that area, you get. So you can, like, you go just slowly and then you bite a little bit. Please, soft bite though. Nah, you're not Rottweiler. Don't go and tear somebody's lips out of their face, please. So at that point, you're like, you go really slow and then just a soft bite, you know, smile a little, or you guys you can chuckle and then continue, you get. go again. After a few minutes, you bite again, okay? And watch the tempo, because as the kiss is getting intense, there should be no more biting, because there's tendency that at that point, it means say you know the reason well again. Your pleasure is becoming heightened. There are tendencies that you might eventually go and use that intensity you get to overbite. And if you can't turn another thing, so I beg, please, okay? And the last part of kiss is the shoulder kiss, okay? There's no two ways about it. It's not a rocket science. You already know shoulder, when you kiss somebody on the shoulder. But it not mean just grab the shoulder and don't, no. What you need to do is just, you're with your partner, and then you guys are probably having a conversation, and you now probably maybe lean towards him or you lean towards her, and then you just kind of peck them on the shoulder, because at that point when I'm leaning towards you and then I want to kiss your shoulder, is when you just kiss and just like, and then just come back. Yeah, you can say that, okay, it's like an appreciation thing, like you just want to like appreciate this person through a kiss, okay? But when it is an erotic kiss, is when you kiss and remain there. It goes like from his shoulder, then back to his neck, then you kiss it back. Repeat the same thing on the other side of his shoulder, okay? So that's the meaning of an erotic shoulder kiss. Like, that's how it starts, okay? You want to start a shoulder kiss for the course of, because you finish watching my video and then you're like, okay, and I talked about shoulder kiss. I'm about to try it on my boyfriend, or I'm about to try it on my husband. Let me go try it. And then you just grab the man's shoulder and then, no, please. See, kissing starts really slow. There's no how we are going to sugarcoat this thing. You don't have to like grab somebody's mouth. It's different when, okay, you guys have missed each other for a very long time, and then you see each other and like, oh, I can't wait to eat you up when I see you, and then you just meet yourself at the door and you're like, that's different. There's an understanding on that part. But it's not when the mood is cool, the mood is calm, and then you now want to kiss. You now come and drag my neck. And then there's another thing some people do, like they want to kiss and you're pressing somebody's neck. You want to kill somebody's child? Please don't. You don't press somebody's neck. These things, they go soft, okay? Touch the neck softly. Hold them softly. If you're going to hold the waist, hold them softly. Don't be grabbing people up and down and then, no, please. We should learn how to kiss, because it's what sets the mood for how the whole general sex section is going to look like. Okay, so thank you guys. Let me not make this video too lengthy, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's episode of Sex Talk with Eno. I hope I see you guys on our next episode, and I hope you enjoyed this particular episode. Please, don't go and down. Bye guys, I love you. See you on our next episode. Air kiss.